Dear students, previous classes we will discuss about chemical reactions and enzymatic conversions. By means, how do enzymes bring about such high rates of chemical conversions? Today we are going to discuss about nature of enzyme action. Dear students, nature of enzyme action or mechanism of enzyme action to be explained two theories. Dear students, two theories to explain the mechanism of enzyme action. Two theories are here. First theory, lock and key hypothesis. Second theory, engaged hypothesis. We is proposed by lock and key hypothesis. We is proposed by induced hypothesis. Dear students, lock and key hypothesis is proposed by Emil Fischer in the year 1884. Induced hypothesis is proposed by Daniel E. Koshland in the year 1973. Two theories is proposed by Emil Fischer and Daniel E. Koshland. That is lock and key hypothesis or lock and key theory, induced hypothesis or induced theory. So, dear students, to be observed the enzyme action. The catalytic cycle of enzyme action are involved in four steps. Enzyme actions are to be completed in four steps. Dear students, this is a substrate, this is a enzyme. S stands for substrate, E stands for enzyme. The substrate and enzyme to be make a one ES complex, that is enzyme substrate complex. Then after converted to EP complex, that is enzyme product complex. Then after to be separated enzyme and product. This is a one reaction. This is a one reaction. That is substrate plus enzyme giving rise to ES complex, giving rise to EP complex, giving rise to enzyme plus product. This is a one type of symbol of chemical reactions. Dear students, but to be observed in this phenomenon, a diagrammatic showing. So the mechanism of nature of enzyme action to be observed one diagrammatic representation. One diagrammatic representation. Okay now, dear students, this is a substrate, this is a enzyme. This enzyme are having to one particular active site. This is a ES complex and this is a EP complex and to be separated enzyme and product. So let us discuss about so the catalytic cycle of enzyme action are involved in four steps. Let us to be discussed about four steps. Let us to be discussed about four steps. First one here. So this is a substrate. Substrate means the chemical which is converted into product. This is a beginning chemical, this is a ending chemical. This is a beginning of the chemical component, this is a ending of the chemical component. So, dear students, so beginning chemical component are here substrate, ending chemical component are here product. This is a beginning chemical component, this is a ending chemical component, this is a substrate, this is a product. So substrate means the chemical which is converted into product. The chemical which is converted into product, that is called the substrate. That is called the substrate. Dear students, this is a substrate and this is a enzyme. So any enzyme are having to a particular active site. A particular active site. Dear students, already in the previous classes discussed about any enzyme like primary protein, secondary protein and tertiary protein. But most of the any enzyme like tertiary structure of protein, this tertiary structure of protein are having many crevices, many pockets or many holders. But one such type of holders or one such type of crevices are named as active site. Active site. Active site. This is a active site. Okay now, dear students. So let us discuss about first step. Let us discuss about first step. So dear students, the substrate binding to the an active site of enzyme. An active site of enzyme. This is a first step. This is a substrate. Okay, clearly understood. This is a substrate. This is an enzyme. This enzyme are having to one particular active site. So let us discuss about first step. The substrate binding to the active site of an enzyme. Active site of an enzyme. So fitting to the active site. Fitting to the active site. This is a first step. Fitting to the active site. The second step over here, the binding of the substrate now close to proximate. Now close to proximate of the enzyme active site. Enzyme active site. So in this time, so tightly move the substrate. Tightly move the substrate. By means tightly move the active site of the substrate, or tightly move the around the substrate to be form a one ES complex. To be form a one ES complex. Okay now. Second step over here, the binding of the substrate now close to proximate. Now close to proximate of the active site. Now close to proximate of the active site. By means so folding is more tightly. Fitting is more tightly around the substrate. Fitting is more tightly around the substrate. Around the substrate. Okay now, this is a second step. So in this step, to be form a one complex, that is enzyme substrate complex. This enzyme substrate complex is highly reactive. Highly reactive. By means, so already around the substrate and bonds are broken. Bonds are broken. In this time, to be internally bonds are broken. Bonds are broken. Okay, the bonds are broken. So and short line and short line. This is a second step. And third step over here. So the active site is having to enzyme substrate complex. So in this time, so the bonds are broken. The chemical bonds are broken. The chemical bonds are broken to be make a one intermediate product. To be make a one intermediate product. To be make a one intermediate structure, that is named EP complex. That is named enzyme product complex. This is a third step. Enzyme product complex. Now fourth step over here, the enzyme product complex, one type of intermediate structure, and due easily to the dissociates, giving easily to the dissociates and to be separated enzyme and product. To be separated enzyme and product. Anyhow, the substrate get modified to product in this reaction. So the enzyme is freely, product is also freely, but enzyme is again to be waiting on the another substrate molecule, then we will get continue of the catalytic cycle. Then we will get continue of the again catalytic cycle. So these are the 4 steps are in nature of enzyme action. Once again repeated to the, this is a substrate, this is a active site of an enzyme. So first step are here. So the substrate binding to the active site of an enzyme, fitting to the active site. This is the first step, and second step are here. So the binding of the substrate now to close proximity of the active site. Fitting is more highly around the substrate. So to be forming a PS complex. In this time internally to be breaking of the chemical bonds. Third step are here. Internally the active site containing substrate. This substrate of chemical bonds are broken. To be make a one intermediate structure that is named enzyme product complex. This is third step. Fourth step are here. The intermediate structure of EP complex easily dissociates to be released enzyme and product. So this enzyme is freely. So however the substrate is also get converted to product. But the free enzyme is again to be waiting on the another substrate molecule. By means this catalytic cycle once again repeated to the enzyme active site. So okay, now this is about nature of enzyme action.